Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So if you guys had watched my most recent video, you guys know that I am on a mission to take back control of my life. Yes, I've been struggling with postpartum anxiety and depression, but today's video marks my first video of taking back control by cleaning up one mess at a time in my home. And it starts right here with this shower. This shower wall has been neglected because this is basically my daughter's art canvas. She's obsessed with those bath crayons, markers, and paints. And let me tell you guys, it does stain. And I am guilty. I have not even attempted to scrub it out. I've sprayed it off when I wash my tub and all that, but I really need to put some elbow grease into that today. So I'm going to be doing that. And over here, you guys, look at this space. It's so sad. We need to beautify this here. And I'm also so excited because today's video is in collaboration with my friend Caitlin from Simply Caitlin. She is an amazing stay-at-home mama of a 2-year-old boy and a military wife. That's right, tough as nails. She loves cleaning, organizing, home decor, cooking, all things motherhood, you name it. I love her channel, guys. She's so calming and relaxing to watch. You guys definitely need to go check out her channel and subscribe and leave her a comment. Let her know I sent you over. And now on to this crazy mess here. I need to start by removing everything off of my counters so I can give it a good scrub down. I am going to be deep cleaning this bathroom today. I'm talking about dusting the walls, the light fixtures, everything from the ceiling down to the floor. It's time to make this bathroom cozy and homey once and for all. So I think I've talked enough. Let's get cranking our music and let's do this, mamas. I like to use this Biz laundry soap for my porcelain sinks, and also I do use it for the shower and the bathtub at times. But today I'll be using borax in the shower because I want to go a little more natural since I'm going to be standing inside there while I'm scrubbing the wall.
chase my ego every second of the day. Time to recall the reason why I can't wash away memories from the past, stuck like a virus in my head. Sometimes I wish I just could leave those wasted years behind. When the twilight falls, I can see the ray of light, like a distant call. I realize you are the reason. Can't forget those wasted years. I realize you are the reason. When the twilight falls, I can see the ray of light, like a distant call. I realize you are the reason. Can't forget those wasted years. Got the feeling from the start, you might be the guy who'll break my heart. Hello, hello. Even though I took a risk, it is worth the while for just one kiss. I know, I just know it. Caught up in the moment, wanna spend every second with you, yeah. All I do is thinking about you. Stuck in the middle, what can I do? Yeah, I just wanna be right next to you. Right in the middle, right in between. Ooh, it is up to you what we will be. Ooh, I don't know what to do. I'm stuck in the middle with you. You and I are so alike, and I guess it can be bad sometimes. Don't know, I don't know. Even when you say let's go, I can see the hesitation grow. Just know, I just know it. Caught up in the moment, wanna spend every second with you, yeah. All I do is thinking about you. Stuck in the middle, what can I do? Yeah, I just wanna be right next to you. Right in the middle, right in between. Ooh, it is up to you what we will be. Ooh, I don't know what to do. I'm stuck in the middle with you. I just wanna know where you wanna go. I don't wanna be stuck in the middle. I just wanna know what's to come. Stuck in the middle, what can I do? Yeah, I just wanna be right next to you. But in the middle, right in between. I want to. Stuck in the middle, what can I do? I just wanna be right next to you. Right next to you. Right in the middle, right in between. It is
So I decided to use these pink magazine holders that I had in my daughter's bedroom. I figured she didn't need them anymore, so I figured I could use them for products. And you guys, this works so good. I ended up buying these from the Target dollar spot like a couple years ago. They usually come around during the back to school time of the year. So if you guys get a chance, this is awesome for like holding any type of products because everything stands upright and it's a much, like smaller space where it's nice and tight so they don't fall over. So my intention was to line all the drawers today as well as the cabinets, but it turns out I didn't have a full roll of the liner. I thought it was a full roll, but that's okay. I'm gonna get some more, and when I do, I will be lining these drawers, but for now, it is what it is. And I apologize, but I needed to split this video into two parts because I was having technical difficulty uploading it to YouTube. And so this was my only other alternative. And I